The beginnings of noise monitoring.
Noise pollution first became a recognized issue as cities grew louder in the early 20th century. Early monitoring methods relied on simple, sound-level meters with analog needles, which required trained operators to manually record readings. These basic devices laid the foundation for tracking noise levels, but offered limited data and accuracy compared to modern systems.
Advances with electronic sound level meters.
In the 1950s and 1960s, the development of electronic sound level meters revolutionized noise monitoring. With improved electronics, these meters delivered more precise readings and could store limited data. This era saw the introduction of international standards, such as those from the International Electrotechnical Commission, helping to unify measurement practices around the world.
Data logging and digital technology.
By the 1980s and 1990s, digital noise monitors began to replace their analog counterparts. These devices featured built-in data loggers, allowing for long-term measurement and analysis. Automated processes enabled researchers and city officials to better identify noise trends, compare locations, and create more targeted regulations to address urban noise pollution.
The role of wireless sensors in networks.
The turn of the millennium brought wireless technology and networked sensors, making it possible to install large arrays of noise monitors across cities. Data could now be transmitted in real time, improving response times and providing deeper insights into the patterns and sources of urban noise. These innovations made citywide noise surveillance both scalable and efficient.
Smart cities and integrated solutions.
Today, noise pollution monitoring is part of many smart city initiatives. Integrated sensor networks connect with city management systems, combining data from environmental sensors, cameras, and citizen reports. Advanced analytics and machine learning help identify problematic areas, guide urban planning, and empower communities to manage noise pollution more effectively than ever before.